What's good, guys? This is Syndrome here. 30 days poster challenge, or 31 days poster challenge, because of October has 31 days. Day 3. Okay, today the trigger words that are on the Discord channel. Sunder. Sunder is like this feeling of immense realization. For example, when you're walking down the street and you look at the people and realize everyone is living like a life of their own, with all the complexities as your own, with all the routines or all the feelings, right? That kind of realization, that feeling, that's called Sunder. Second word is knife. And third, it's from Miyazaki, Spirited Away, quote from the movie. It's, you're thinking you're all alone, but you're not. So I think I'm gonna go with knife. I'm feeling like doing like a super cool minimalistic poster that would look nice on a wall, something like that. So let's get it. Okay, I started doing something, but then I fucking hate it, so time to scratch it and go again. No, I was recording the full screen. Fuck. Missed all the process. I scratched everything and did this, like placing around some assets that I have on my assets spreadsheet. Here's where I work on a lot of little typographical, like little packages and things that I'll eventually reuse for many of my pieces, with certain inscriptions or little graphics that compose like the aesthetic of the pieces that I do. Of course, here I made this one for these pieces specifically, like the knife like pointed me to Russian writer Dostoevsky, that he has like a really dark philosophy on violence and suffering. So I sort of this phrase, like the rhetoric of violence, which I thought it was really like powerful as a phrase. So I went on and used that with other phrases that I had on that spreadsheet, which I think looked cool. This is just to make something like a really interesting typographical layout. I'm thinking on a big image here, and yeah, let's get it. Okay, by mistake, I just like clicked the color here on the back and made it all red. And I think I like it. It's like super violent, you know what I mean? I like this. Yes. Let's make this also black. Also, like the contrast is very jarring, like to the eyes, and violence. There you go. Hope you liked it. This is the final piece. For a change, no texture on this one. Wanna keep it like, I think it adds to this contrast thing. It makes it really harsh to the eyes, and I really like it. Also, let me know what you think about these speed arts. I'm making it because for me, really, I've been doing reels and all of this stuff for over a year each day. I've been struggling really to sit down and record YouTube videos. So this is part of the challenge for me, to sit down and make a video every day for as long as this challenge lasts. Give you a glimpse of what it looks like, the process for me, or making a poster, how does my mind works, and really let you know that it's really not every time about making this super deep pretentious poster, you know. It's about just sitting down and showing up and doing the things that you say you're gonna do, right? And over time you'll see the progress. So yeah, that's it. Hope you liked it. See you tomorrow for poster number 4. Talk peace, wish you conflict. Shit.